years of searching for the right journal and waiting for one journal that has it all, I have designed my very own journal called the One Page at a Time. And this is exactly what it says, like, this journal is kind of part of your abundance toolkit, and where each page of this takes you one step closer to your identity. From reflecting your 2024 to writing your goals, your dreams, to having a goal planner, to the earth element. This journal is based on the 4 sacred elements, and each element represents one phase. The earth element is for your grounding. What are your values? What are your skills, your talents, your learnings? What do you get frustrated about? What is your emotional backpack like? And the special exercise of the home of your life. This helps you design a blueprint for your entire life. The next element is air. Air represents your vision, the height to which you can grow, the increase, the bandwidth to which you can build in there. So this section is all about building your vision, building sacred rituals. And the third part of this is water. Water, as you know, is the element of flow, and this is exactly what we talk about. Welcome to the river of abundance, where in the bank of the universe there are 3 currencies: time, energy and wealth. And you will be taking across all these areas here. We will first start with time mapping and how to plan your tasks. We will be working on energy, and of course this is also a money tracker which has a lot of financial trackers, so that you make sure you are in step for 2025, and from a money warrior you emerge as a money warrior. The last element is fire, which of course is about passion. This part of the journal is all about what are your goals, and this comes in. I'll just tell you in 1 minute what this is. And there are a lot of sections on how to discover your fire. There are sections on how to make your dream Instagram page, your projects, your affirmations, and apart from that there are bonus areas on cleaning checklist, habit trackers, fitness trackers, weight loss journey, and your mock resume. Now along with this, your vision board, your abundance toolkit also comes with a set of these impact ikigai. I designed this very special set of ikigai cards based on our Indian culture and heritage, rather than going by the Japanese system. And this in itself is a journey towards discovering yourself. The first part is your identity. Who are you? As you can see, there is an affirmation as well as an AI prompt to help you discover it. Once you discover your identity, the next part of this comes to your skills, your Shakti. What is it that makes you powerful, makes you unique? The third part of this is Seva, service. What do you do to create impact service in the world and also get your due share of income from this? Seva is all about helping others, creating an impact, and finding your monetization way as well. Then comes confidence, which is what happens when you have identity and skills. We have abundance, which is when Shakti and Seva are combined. And then of course after abundance we have legacy, we have vision, we have abundance. This entire set of cards and this wonderful journey could be yours by just being a part of my inner community and buying this beautiful abundance toolkit to bring to your homes. Do this now.